Hi, I'm Iliana from Long Branch, New Jersey, and I was looking for a dentist and was recommended to Dr. Korwin from a friend. I came into his office a little bit nervous, and I needed some serious work done with my front tooth. When I was a child, fell and chipped my tooth, and I had to have a root canal done on the tooth, and then had to fill it 3 or 4 times, and it was a very complicated situation. When I first walked into his office, I felt so welcomed. His staff was so friendly and inviting. When I met Dr. Korwin, I instantly felt very comfortable working with him and super genuine about the information he gives you and the procedures that he's performing on you. He showed me everything in advance that he was going to do to the tooth, step by step, made me feel comfortable, laid it out for me, and I honestly am so happy with everything that I've done with Dr. Korwin. He fixed my entire smile. We redid my entire front frame, which made me feel so comfortable. And before going to Dr. Korwin, I felt very shy and I didn't smile as much. And now I feel that I have such a beautiful smile and it really has changed my life. Thank you, Dr. Korwin.